Hi, George. How you doing? It's a nice sweet berry. Now, I do wish it had the juiciness of the Raritan, but it doesn't. It just doesn't have it. The thing that we'd have to be careful...
These commercial strawberry growers are having a field day at the National Agricultural Research Center in Beltsville, Maryland.
These are for you guys to taste and eat. I think it lacks a little of the acidity that the Raritan has that heightens the flavor, you see.
They're deciding the fate of dozens of different types of strawberries, sampling the results of years of research, determining which strawberries you'll be eating in years to come.
There are many things to breeding a strawberry that do not meet the eye. It takes about 10 years from the time that a strawberry seed is planted until an ultimate variety, not necessarily from that seed, makes it into the market. During this time, there are many screening procedures that eliminate the berries that do not perform according to certain standards.
The quest for the perfect strawberry begins here with a selection of parent plants, chosen on the basis of characteristics which are promising, but which need improvement. These plants are grown over the winter in greenhouses, and in the spring they are strategically bred with another parent plant. A new generation of genetically improved fruit develops, whose seed is collected and dried. These seeds will be germinated and subjected to a variety of diseases. The plants that prove themselves disease-resistant in this first trial are cloned and later planted outside for further tests.
The next year we go in the spring and evaluate them for fruit. We're looking first of all for the quantity of the fruit, then the uniformity of its appearance, its color, its firmness, its texture as you eat it, any aromatic compounds, the toughness of the skin so that we know it would endure handling, and of course, most important, the flavor of the berry.
They're now ready for the final trial. They must compete head-to-head with the standard varieties, those strawberries which have already proven themselves in the marketplace.
And we try to do that by employing a statistical design called a randomized complete block design. And what that means is that we actually have 4 experiments within the lines of this orange tape. We have each of the 33 entries entered once, and within that section, each of the entries is randomized so that it can land at any one space. In other words, the soil can be sampled from one end of the field to another.
The results of the randomized trials are evaluated at the end of the growing season, when the unnamed, numbered selections are compared with the named standard varieties.
Normally we name them if they're better in 3 or 4 traits. We've rated the berry as exceptional in quality, average in flavor, exceptional in all the other characteristics.
And so the process continues. Feedback is gathered from the growers, and decisions are made about which selections will be planted in next year's randomized block experiments. If all goes well, after 10 years of enduring the rigorous trials of Beltsville, this strawberry might end up on your supermarket shelf with a name of its own.